Hi friends, how are you? Driving my car is cool, right? I love driving. And here I am in my super fancy flying neighborhood. Today we're going to keep working with the adverbs of frequency. Remember? Those words that indicate how often we do things. Remember? The questions always have those two words together. How often? For example, how often do you practice sports? And then in the answers, we can use some of these words. Always, which means every day or almost all the time. Usually, which means 4 or 5 times a week or less regularly. Then sometimes the half of the time. Okay? Hardly ever means few times, not much, and never, not at all, okay? My flying car needs gas, and some sentences are going to appear to give us options. We have to choose the right adverb. If we are right, I'll get gas for my car, and I'll go faster. Do you want to help me? Let's do it. Okay. Whoop! The first sentence, my mom does yoga 4 or 5 times a week. Okay. My mom does yoga 4 or 5 times a week. So the options are, okay, here they are. Always or usually? Do you know? Let's look at up there. Always means every day and usually a little less. So, if it's saying 4 or 5 times a week and a week has 7 days, let's say usually. Are we right? Yes, we are! And I'm getting gas! Wow! Okay, faster! Great, let's move on. My grandmother doesn't practice yoga. Okay, my grandma doesn't practice yoga. And the options are hardly ever or never. We have a clue here. Look at the sentence. Yes. She doesn't practice. That means at all, like never. Is that the right answer? Let's touch never. Hey, what happened? No, the buttons changed. I wanted to touch never, not hardly ever. Oh no, look, we're going slower. We have less gas. Oh, but it was the machine's mistake, not mine. Oy, oy, oy. I think we have to accept this and keep working. Next sentence. My dad reads books once a week. Okay, my dad reads books once a week. All right, and again we have hardly ever and never. See that never is not at all. We have once, right? So let me just touch hardly ever, but these buttons are a little bit playful. Let's say, oh, yes, great. Okay, hardly ever. My dad reads books hardly ever. Yes, and we have more gas. Whoa, going faster. The last sentence. My family goes very frequently to the nature. Okay, very frequently. See that is another adverb, but this is a new one. And this one might point how often. From the ones we've seen, okay. Usually is one option and sometimes is the other one. My family goes frequently to the nature. That might mean usually, right? 4 or 5 times per week. Yes, let's just say usually. Opa! Yes, we are right. Frequently and usually are very much the same, okay? And again, we got more gas. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y, sobre todo, aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello friends, let's keep working together with the adverbs of frequency. Remember them? The words we use such as always, usually, sometimes, hardly, ever, and never to talk about the time, how often we do activities, for example, right? So let's go for the third activity. What adverb suits better for each sentence? We eat 3 meals a day. Oh, wow. We eat 3 meals a day. So I guess that is, 3 meals a day might be always, right? We normally do that. We always, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We always eat 3 meals a day. Then he watches TV in the evening. All right, he watches TV in the evening. It can be everything, always, usually, sometimes, hardly, ever, and never. But I'm going to point and give you a hint. What about if we have a 30%? He watches TV in the evening. A boy is watching TV in the evening. But how often? 30%. Hardly ever. Hardly ever. Great. Then let's go for they play basketball at school. They play basketball at school. And look, now the hint is 85%. They play basketball at school and 85% of the time. They usually play basketball at school. Like maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but maybe they don't play basketball on Thursdays and Fridays, okay? The 85% of the time. She visits her grandma on Sundays, and that happens every Sunday, like every Sunday, always, right? She always visits her grandma on Sundays, or she visits her grandma on Sundays always. I clean my room on weekends. Let me just say that the hint now is 50% of the time. I clean my room on weekends, and that is sometimes. Sometimes. Great. I clean my room on weekends. Sometimes, just the half of the time. Some other weekends I don't do it. And they do their homework after school. Let's say the hint now is 0. Never. They never do their homework after school. They do it on weekends, for example, okay? Or they do it at midday time. They never do their homework after school because the hint is 0%. Good job. Now let's go and do this fourth activity. Choose the right adverb. Okay, we have he hardly ever, the options. The options are 2. We have hardly ever and sometimes. He hardly ever and sometimes forgets his lunch. And the hint is 50% of the time. 50. So that means sometimes. Sometimes is the right one. He sometimes forgets his lunch because it's 50% of the time. Then let's go for the second one. We, and the options are we usually or we always walk to school. And the hint is 85%. So that is always? No, always is 100. Usually. We usually walk to school. Well done. And this is the right one. She never or she sometimes cooks dinner. And again is 50% of the time, half time. So that is sometimes. Well done. They always or hardly ever play video games. They always or hardly ever. And the hint is we have a 30%. So that is what? They
Hardly ever, because hardly ever is the 30% of the time. Then let's read the fifth sentence. I never eat spicy food, or I usually eat spicy food. And if the hint is 100%, hey, no, it's not here. There's a mistake. It's always. I always eat spicy food. And he usually, the last one, he usually or sometimes helps with chores. And again, there's another mistake in here. We have the 0. Usually is the 85% of the time, and sometimes is 50. So that is never. If the hint is never, he never helps with chores, right? The same as I always eat spicy food. Great! Be careful when you do exercises. Read everything together and ensure that things make sense for you. Bye-bye!